Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at Levoit's new cordless stick vacuum, the VortexIQ Pro, which has a green light built in that really makes debris stand out on your floors. And honestly, it makes a huge difference. Now, Levoit has been around for a while and makes some quality products. I actually just reviewed their air purifier and it does a solid job. Well, they recently came out with their new VortexIQ Pro cordless stick vacuum, so I'm excited to test it out. Everything comes packaged well, and it's all individually wrapped, and this is everything all laid out. Comes with a manual, charging station that mounts on the wall, 2-in-1 crevice tool attachment with a brush, and of course the main vacuum itself with both a mini motorized brush and a motorized floor brush that does have anti-tangle technology. Looking at it all put together, I do like the overall look and the colors. Everything seems very well built and high quality, and there's no unfinished edges, and everything fits together really well. We have simple controls to turn it on and adjust the level of suction. Taking the canister off to dump it is very easy, and it's a nice sized canister. And yeah, it looks good. Now let's talk about its cleaning performance. So like I mentioned, that Neosite green light makes a huge difference. It really makes debris like pet hair stand out that you wouldn't normally see very easily, and it just makes it a lot easier to be able to tell where it is so you can vacuum it up. It's actually pretty crazy how impactful it is. It's a 150-degree wide bright green light, so it illuminates the area in front of it really well. And it has powerful suction too, which does a good job sucking up debris on hard floors and carpet. And with it being able to lay flat, it lets you get underneath the furniture easily too. Now the smaller motorized brush works good too, spinning pretty fast, and it does a solid job with furniture and upholstery. Here you can see it easily gets the pet hair off the couch. Now that crevice tool attachment is simple and works well, and I do like that it's a 2-in-1 design with the brush attachment integrated with it, so you don't have two separate attachments like a lot of vacuums have. Now once you're all done vacuuming, you just take the canister off the vacuum, open it up and dump it in the trash can, and then you're good to go. It does have a 5-stage HEPA filtration system, which is good, and the filters are washable. As for battery life, in its least powerful setting, its eco mode, if you will, it lasts well over 45 minutes, which is plenty of time. In its most powerful setting, it's about 10 minutes or so. That's pretty competitive compared to other cordless stick vacuums. And then it takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. So overall, I'm very happy with it. It cleans well. Its green light is a serious game changer. It's got the right form factor and attachments. Battery life is solid. It's a really nice option. Let me know what you guys think though, and let me know if you have any questions about the Levoit VortexIQ Pro cordless stick vacuum. And as always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, hype the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.